Yeah, working sundown to sunrise, working so hard I can't hear him say it's lunchtime. No vet is the boy who they calling on in crunch time. This pen is like a pistol, I don't tuck it, boy, I clutch mine. Hold up, riding to the rhythm of music, I feel the vibe, yeah. Looking to the future and hope that it come alive, yeah. Wish it never did me no justice, I'd rather grind and show them I'm the greatest on the rise.
Yo, what's up, YouTube fam? So right now I'm in Arizona. This is where I live. Usually you guys see me back at home in Cali, but today I'm in Arizona. So can you guys see that little sneak peek behind me? That's my new daily. 2007 G35. So I picked up this G on Thursday, and I figured I had to get a daily since this Cardi B was gonna be my race car. So I'm gonna be adding this to the YouTube series with a bunch of episodes. Yeah, but I mean I already got the car, and the car's already been to the body shop because I plan on wrapping it, and hopefully it turns out good. It needs a lot of cosmetic work, but I think we can handle it. So let me show you guys the car real quick. So as you guys can see, it definitely needs a new bumper. So that should be coming in this week. The entire car looks like it's dull because I had it sanded down by the body shop this weekend to get it ready for the wrap. I think I'm gonna do some kind of a white wrap with a gloss black roof. I think it's gonna look pretty sick. Let me show you guys the inside. The inside's actually pretty clean. It does have a check engine light, and the check engine light is for the gas pedal. And the funny thing is, I got a new gas pedal right there. So I should get rid of the check engine light. Other than that, the interior's pretty fucking clean. So, I'm gonna get to work on replacing this gas pedal to get rid of my check engine light. But, yep, there's the interior. It looks pretty sick. Pretty clean. Let me show you guys the check engine light real quick. Oh, that's a badass mirror I got. But there's a check engine light, and it doesn't go away. So I'm gonna replace this gas pedal, and hopefully it goes away. So I'm out testing right now, see how the gas pedal's doing, and the check engine light went away, so I'm gonna take that as a win. So I was throwing a code for the gas pedal, and AutoZone said it was 500 bucks, and I found it on eBay for 35 bucks, so that's a big win. So no more check engine light. I'm so mad right now. Just walking around, cutting up this box, and I freaking tipped over my favorite mug. Look how big it is. It's a big mug. Luckily, my mixolata was already gone, but so yeah, this bumper is held on by quick releases and tiny ass screws. Yeah, this bumper's all sorts of fucked up, so I'm gonna add on that piece, and I'm gonna go ahead and mount up the bumper the way it's supposed to be mounted. I still have this little baggie from when I used to have my 370, and guess what I found? Found some of those clips And guess what? I got 4 of them. So save my trip to AutoZone. For you car guys, if you guys like to hoard car parts, well, guess what? This came in handy. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on and then slap on my my cover on. So that's literally what my bumper was held on with, and 2 rubber bands. So this is the hardware my bumper was held on with. Now I got this clean radiator cover. So that's where the bumper's gonna be mounted onto now instead of this fucking garbage ass shit. So step by step, she's gonna get there. The bumper's gonna stay on the way it is, but I mean, I got a new bumper coming in 2 days from now, so I'm not even tripping about it. Also got new clips coming in, so the way it's held on right now, that's the way it's gonna have to stay. Which it ain't too bad. It's better than the way it was. If you guys remember who Dory was, it's got 1 and 2 bolts from Dory. Tomorrow, I think I'll get the bumper in. I got all sorts of things coming in for this thing, and it hopefully getting wrapped this weekend. So stand by for that. It'll get rid of this ugliness. So it's gonna look good. Anyways, more updates on Cardi B coming soon. I'm still working on the fuel system. I still got parts coming in. I got an update on my parts. The website I ordered it from, they're lagging it, so I got an update coming for you guys. So Cardi B signing out.